In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a deleted TikTok account. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it too. We're gonna open up TikTok and then we're gonna use any of these options to sign in. Since I created my old account, the one that I deleted with Google, I'm gonna select continue with Google. But you can also use your phone number or your email. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the account that I used to create my TikTok account with. So I'm simply selecting my Gmail account. But again, what you're gonna do is simply add your username or your email in case you didn't use Google directly. I'm gonna input my Google password. And after you input your password, TikTok is going to show you this message saying that you're going to reactivate your TikTok account. Now it's going to take a few seconds. So I'm just quickly going to select reactivate. And that's it. Now I have my old account back. Remember that for this to work, it cannot be 30 days after you deleted your TikTok account. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye.